When you look for a drive that fully fits the purpose it's intended for, look no further. ABB's all-compatible ACS280 machinery drives are designed with customizing, reliability, and high efficiency in mind. The drive is especially suitable for environments including agriculture, textile, and semiconductor industries, where demanding conditions include high humidity, corrosive gases, vibrations, dust in the air, or a dust-free environment. The drive controls devices that perform rotating movement, including fans, pumps, conveyors, and compressors. Due to its small size, the drive can be fitted inside enclosures and machines in small spaces. To ensure reliable operations, the drive must be kept cool with any kind of cooling element, including liquid. The robust coldplate cooling solution ensures optimal operation temperature at all times by transferring heat out of the cabinet, which can be reused. The ACS280 is specifically designed with machine building needs in mind. The drive controls virtually any kind of motor. The all-compatible features include integrated safety and application programming capabilities, lower motor noise, and higher energy efficiency. For local access and control, the drive can be connected to any type of ABB control panel. For a customized, reliable, and high-efficiency experience, look no further. The ACS280 machinery drive will help you achieve just that.